Purezidenti Museveni atongoizeho abapolisi babiri batendekwa hitendekere ryakaba ari muri district ya Masindi kandi babandize okumworeka obukoryo bwono batendekerwe. Ezekiel Emito orukuri tendekera gambire ngo babatendekero kwirwanaho okwatse biragiro n'amateka ebyo kurwana sobweshadingo hamwe na nobukugo bundi.
The officers have been equipped with the vast knowledge and skills that will enable them to carry out their duties in line with the mandate of their respective departments, with emphasis on the professional conduct and strict adherence to the code of conduct for public officers as they serve the community.
Minisita w'enshonga z'omunda y'ihanga Kahindo Tafide ayirekere obutashemererwa aha muringo gw'abapolisi bari kutura muna n'okukorramo.
A police officer, a prison officer, and an immigration officer who doesn't live comfortably cannot serve his country effectively. So, Your Excellency, I would like you to work with the officials of the Ministry of Finance to finish this PPP thing.
We request for your unflinching support and direction on two service delivery challenges. That is restrictions on the recruitment and the perennial police budget reduction or cash. To the trainees, I congratulate you for the choice you made to pursue a career of service in the Uganda Police Force.
Purezidenti Museveni ashabira abapolisi abasya okwejunisa obukugo kurwanisa ebikorwa by'obwinazo mu ihanga.
We see all these gadgets you have now. In the past we were not there. The police dogs, the telephones, these telephones are very good to know where somebody runs from. The forensic, you have got a forensic department. Those people who do things, they leave their DNA there.
Ogwa bahijiro kurinda amagara gabo ahabwo kuba naco ni kikuru.
All you need are the two things. Number one, discipline. Number two, ideology. To love Uganda, not to love yourself. Number three, to love yourself also.
Purezidenti Museveni arukorekereza habukorwa by'obwinazi byakorirwa mu irindo ry'enyamisho rya Queen Elizabeth agambire ngo bonjira amano mbyo kwerinda. Uganda hatari n'abapolisi 5,300 aha abapolisi 9,300 barukwetengwa okusebyo kwerinda habura muntu. Amakuru agagasha kwamburozi n'wagaba katoto.